Have you ever turned your vegetables into cheese? Well, today we're gonna do just that. Let's make vegan mac and cheese. We're gonna hack your mac. First up, I actually boiled carrots and cauliflower, and that's gonna be the base of the cheese. The cauliflower is gonna create it very creamy, and then the carrot is gonna create that cheesy color. So you're gonna want to toss in your boiled carrots and cauliflower in the blender, paprika, and then nutritional yeast. And nutritional yeast is a key ingredient in this because that's where that natural cheesy flavor is gonna come from. Some garlic salt, it's already smelling so good. Olive oil, and then just a tiny splash of almond milk or any milk that you guys want. I will say the cauliflower and carrot actually does hold a lot of water, so be careful on how much almond milk you put in. You still want the sauce to be thick. Blend it on up. Give it a nice little shake. Shake it, baby, shake it. All right, let's see how this cheese turned out. Oh my freaking gosh, you guys. That is some damn good cheese sauce. It looks just like Velveeta cheese. Like seriously, it emulates the texture to a T. So I'm just gonna throw it into a bowl. Then of course, take your vegan cheese sauce, the fun part, dump it right on top. Oh baby. Oh my God. Mix it together. Holy smokes. Tell me that doesn't look just like mac and cheese. This looks phenomenal, but now it is time for a taste test. That is freaking good. So I can tell that there's not actual real cheese in it, but I know that I'm getting in so many amazing nutrients doing it this way. Plus, if you guys are vegan, this is an amazing way to eat mac and cheese. It's so much healthier as well, and it's still absolutely so tasty. 10 out of 10, you guys have to try this vegan mac and cheese.